I'm Abdurrahman from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I'm working for a private commercial bank in Dhaka. It's a Dutch Bangla Bank Limited. I'm working in internal control and compliance division. I have completed my graduation in electrical engineering. I have completed this degree in 2008. Okay. Then actually I joined in a engineering firm as a service engineer. And then finally, after doing 3 years job in engineering sector, I thought I'm not enjoying this job. Okay. And you'll be a little bit surprised to know that it was really a tough journey for me. Uh, I have failed my gateway exam for 7 times. Okay. Consecutively 7 times, I have failed my exam. But I didn't understand why I'm failing and what to do. Okay. But one thing I did, brother, I never gave up. Okay. I thought whatever it is an exam and I need to manage it. Actually, I had no proper guidance. Okay. That's why I think I have struggled a lot. But right now, I feel happy. Okay, brother.
So,
Upon getting a proper guidance from your side, I have cleared my strategic paper. After passing the paper, actually, Anamitra told me that, brother, you can just meet up with Azman from Sri Lanka, and I believe you will clear your paper. Then actually, I have contacted with you, and I'm really thankful to Anamitra. Okay, he provided me the chance to introduce myself with you. Now I'm really excited about being a ACMA and CGMA. And I think that yes, if you have proper guidance, if you have a good mentor, then you can easily chase a struggle. Okay, you can easily conquer any battle.
Rahman, why did you go back when you failed the fifth time, the gateway paper? How did you go back to the sixth time? How did you go back again the seventh time, then the eighth time? How did you do that?
I thought nothing is impossible in life. SEMA is it's just exam only. Okay, so if I have, persistent effort, if I continue my effort, then definitely I will conquer the battle. Okay, that is why actually I never gave up.
You can't do this. Why would you do this? Ah, this is a seventh time. Why are you paying Sima like this? Weren't there people who told you that?
Yeah, actually, definitely. If I remember the past, it was a painful journey for me. Okay, nobody supported me. All time I need to hear, okay, why you are doing this job? You are not able to pass the paper. You are just wasting your time. You are just wasting your money. You are depriving your family. You are unable to provide quality time to your kids. So you just doing a funny thing. Okay, but I met with you and I understood that to clear the strategic case study, uh, approach is very important. Okay. I need to write my paper in a strategic level. Okay. But sometimes before meet up with you, I couldn't understand actually what should be the writing style. Okay. I had collected a lot of materials. I mean, I have collected all the vendors material. Okay. I think lot of things I collected. I messed up with all. I was confused. What should be the writing approach? What should be the actual way? Even I was not confident enough about my writing. But believe me, brother, I'm really, really grateful to you. While I had written 3 or 4 mocks under your supervision, I have submitted the mocks to you, and you have given me the feedback. Then I realized that yes, uh, I'm now a little bit confident about my writing. I just remember myself that while I got feedback from your side, I think it's a fast mock. Beside this, I got 93. Okay, but I believe if my typing speed is fast, then I easily get 110. That was the confidence actually, and this confidence really comes from your side, brother. When I got your feedback in the last mock, and I saw yes, this is the strategy I should follow. But if you take the mock seriously, I believe you do not need to require a lot of materials. You do not require to collect a lot of materials like me. Okay, I had collected all the materials from the world. Okay, I believe I had huge stockpile of materials. But this will not work for me. I have failed one time, second time, third time, fourth time, even two times I got 78 out of, I just need to pass only 80 and I got 78. But I collected all the materials, okay, from all the vendors in the world. This will not work for me. But believe me, last time in November 2020, I just followed your material. I just very much focus in your three comprehensive mock. Okay, I just taken the mocks seriously. Okay, and I firmly say that if any student can just follow your guideline, can just can just take the three mocks seriously. Modified my writing after getting feedback from your side. Actually, you just did a simple thing. Okay, you just told me that, brother, you shouldn't write a more complex sentence, you shouldn't write a more complex scenario, okay, but you need to have a good plan, structured plan, and just need to write according to the plan and finish the writing. And I just did it. But overall, by the blessings of God, I cleared the paper. So again, I would like to say, really, your feedback is unparalleled. Beside others, okay, I got some tuition from others also, I'm not mentioning their names, but whatever the feedback I got from your side, it is unparalleled in the strategic level tuition. Okay,
I mean, your story just is, it's, I think, right, it's amazing. Now, my question is, how did you feel on the day you got your ACM?
when I got the news, brother, actually, so far I remember, while I saw my result, I was little bit speechless. I just chatted with you and I gave you the information to you. Okay, brother, I cleared my paper. Whatever my score, it was not my heartache. Okay, I cleared the paper, and that's it. I did my job, and I was really